Neverland, reason to pretend. If the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again.